Is it weakness inside or hardship outside? In a society filled with temptations and pressures, it's easy to succumb to a sense of listlessness and despair. However, let's take a moment to reflect on the real reasons. Is it the harsh external conditions, or is it our inner resilience that falls short? Don't always blame external circumstances or the interference of others. Those are just superficial factors. What truly matters is your inner world, the construction of your internal landscape. Despondency isn't forced upon us by external circumstances, it's the weakness within us that drags us down. With a strong inner self, external challenges become trivial. It's not that external conditions are unimportant, but the indomitable strength within. It's the internal qualities that determine whether we stand firm in the face of external storms. Don't let yourself become a slave to external conditions. Learn to master the rhythm of your inner self. This society is full of challenges, but that's not a reason for weakness, it's an opportunity. Opportunities don't favor the feeble, they belong to those with a strong inner self. Persistence and effort may not always change external circumstances, but they can certainly shape a powerful inner self.